So rich people consider any investment that is going to last for a period of 1 year a short-term investment. Why poor people consider any investment that is going to last for 30 days or less short-term investment. So now you see the difference. Anyways, that's not what brought me here. Guys, welcome to my day 8. No, not my day 8. Our day 8 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 years every single day for the period of 90 days. So this is definitely going to last throughout October, November, December. And just like I always say, we are going to be cashing out our money by January 2026. Okay, so of course, as always, I've saved my own 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise. See, Cowrywise, in case you are watching, I want you to drop a comment. This is a free advert that I'm doing. Let's continue with the video though. So you must not make use of the platform that I'm using, which is Cowrywise. You can decide to make use of any other platform like Opay, Pampay, even Money Point, or if you wish to join me using Cowrywise, then go ahead and use Cowrywise. Anybody that is using Cowrywise is a strong person, and I know the reason why. If you want to know the reason why I say that, then let me know in the comment section, and I'm definitely going to explain that to you. Okay, so I've saved mine using this platform called Cowrywise, and I want to know if you have saved for today. Of course, your boy is making this video as a reminder or as a notification to always notify you or remind you to save today. So if you have saved today, let me know in the comment section. If you have not saved, let me know the reason why you've not saved. If you don't even know your whereabouts, let me know in the comment section, then I'm going to put you through. If this is the first time you are coming across this challenge and you are feeling like you are too late to join the challenge, then I want to let you know that you are never too late. In fact, I want you to start today on the immediate. Okay, yes, you are never too late. What I need you guys to do for me is to go ahead and click the like button on this video, because your boy is trying, okay, in exchange of the value you are getting. Okay, and if you're here to join this beautiful family, then I personally want you to do so by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. You know what the bell notification does? It will always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. So as always, I'm always going to be giving you 2 tips that is going to keep you consistent. And you know what, in today's challenge, because this is the 8, okay, I am going to add it to make it 3 tips that is going to keep you consistent. And I know the reason why I'm going to make it 3. The first one is you need to get a job. Yes, you need to get a job, something that is going to be giving you money. Because if you can be able to have money, that is when you can be able to save. You can't save when you are jobless. I got a DM, someone saying I should send money to him so that he can be able to save. So why are you now in the challenge if you don't have anything that is giving you money? So number 1 tip is to make sure to get a job so you can be able to get money. Okay, so when you now have a job and you now have money, that is when we are going to move over to the second tip, which is cutting down on your expenses. Yes, because even though you have the money but you spend like a thief, some persons used to eat their money like a thief. Like, you will be asking where your money went to, but you've forgotten that you just finished it with mouth. Okay, so cut down on your expenses, right? So you can be able to have enough money so you can be able to save. Okay, then the third one, you know that you have to automate your savings. So someone made mention of, if I can put us through on how to automate our savings, I'm going to be leaving the link, the comment on the screen, so you will see. So in case you are the one that is asking, your boy is here to answer your questions. So I'm going to make a short screen phone screen video showing you the process of automating your savings. So automating your saving is going to enable you to stay consistent, because it is going to be debiting the money that you want to be saving every day from your local bank account down to the fintech platform of your choice that you are going to be making use of in the challenge. Okay, so if you have gotten to this point, let me know by clicking the like button. Yes, and if you're here to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click on the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. So in case if there's anything I'm forgetting to say, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so real quick, this is how to automate your saving, because someone requested that I should teach how to automate savings, because that is one of the tips I gave that is going to keep you consistent throughout the 90-day challenge of saving and investing. So it does, in case you want to be making use of the Cowrywise that I'm also using, right? Yes, so for those that would want to make use of Cowrywise and you want to automate your savings, this is how you can be able to get it done. So once you are done with registration and you log in, this is the interface you're going to see. So I want you to go ahead and click over here that says save. Okay, so follow me carefully so I can teach you how to automate your savings. So once you click on save, this is the interface you are going to see. So go ahead and click over here that says general. Yes, so click on general, and boom, this is how much I've saved, all right, using this platform called Cowrywise. So what you are going to do next is to click over here that says automate. So before going to that automate, look over here. So when I made mention of us making use of fintech platform, I know the reason why I'm saying that. So this is how much I am saving, or this is how much I've saved so far using this platform called Cowrywise. And when you look over here, you will discover that this is how much I've made for just saving my money using this platform. So how cool is that? So is it not better you make use of this fintech platform than to start doing a job, right? Because anybody doing a job, you are definitely not going to be getting interest. If you are saving 1,000, for instance, every day using a job, at the end of the 90, let's say you are saving it for 90 days, at the end of the 90 days, you are going to be getting 90,000. They might even take charge. I've never done that. I wouldn't even want to do it. Okay, so there's possibility they are going to take charge. That means you are not even going to get probably the whole 90,000. Okay, so but look at how much I've saved so far here, and this is how much this platform has paid me for just saving my money with them. So they've paid over 5,900 naira for me to just save money with them. So how cool is that? So let's stick with the reason why we are here. So what we are going to do is to go over here and click on automate, because we want to activate automation. So click on automate, and this is what we are going to do next. Go ahead and click here to activate it. Okay, so if I turn it off, let's just click on it, you see, so it's off, right? So they can't debit any money from my local bank account because I've turned it off. So for me to turn it on, just go ahead and click there. It is going to come on. So boom, it's back. So you are going to proceed to do the setting. This is frequency. Okay, frequency means how do you want to be saving it? Do you want to be saving it every day? Do you want to be saving it on a monthly basis? So I have to click every day. So let's just go ahead and click on it so you will see what I'm talking about. So they are giving you option of daily. Would you want them to be taking money from your local bank account and be saving here on a daily basis, or you want to be saving it on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis? So because of the 90-day challenge you are doing, you know, it's on a daily basis. So that's why I chose daily, right? So we've clicked on daily. So the next thing you are going to do is to set, this is periodic amount. So you have to select or type in amount you want them to be debited from your local bank account and sending it over to this platform. So if you don't have, if you won't be able to be, so if you can't keep up with saving 1,000 every single day, then this is opportunity you have to reduce it or cut your clothes according to your size. The reason why I even decided to be saving the 1,000 is so that you don't feel that this challenge is for people that has money. Everybody is inclusive. Okay, yes, so go ahead, click over here to change the amount you want. So if what you can be able to be saving every day is 1,000, okay, I think the minimum of this is 1,000. So fine, so let's just leave it at 1,000. Okay, but other platform, I don't think they are giving you limits. I think you can make use of OPay. I don't think OPay has limits. So, and that's the reason why I gave you guys option of choosing any fintech platform of your choice, right? But we've seen it now that Cowrywise is giving you limits, or yes, limits of 1,000. That is what you can do. So that is how you can be. So if you have more than that 1,000, you want to be saving more than that 1,000, then go ahead and change it to probably 100,000 every single day if you can be able to do that, right? So but mine is at 1,000. So that is how you can be able to automate your savings. So once you are done selecting this, go ahead and click over here to save. Okay, so once you click there, you are done. So you have to link your bank or your card, because that is where they are going to be taking the money. So on the process you are doing that, they are going to give you option to link your debit card. So if you can, after linking your debit card, that is when they are going to have access to be debiting money from your bank, or you can link your bank. So I've done that. So but once you are going through the automation, you will surely going to see how you can link your bank so they can have access to your local bank and be debiting the money. All right, I believe you've understood everything I said. So I'm going to click over here so we can see how much they have debited from a local bank account for today's challenge. Okay, so boom, when you look over, you see that it is saying today, meaning they debited this morning, this 1000 today, as at 6:58 a.m. That is when they did it. So I just got a debit alert. You don't need to be doing it manually. It's working seamlessly. Okay, so it's definitely going to keep you consistent, right? So that is that for today's video. Click the like button if you have gotten to this point. If you're here to join this beautiful family, use this opportunity to click on that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And thank you so very much for coming to watch this video. So should in case you're looking for more ways you can be able to make money, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video, and I'll definitely see you on the other side. Until when I see you on the other side, we'll go again tomorrow. Comrade. Bye.